welcome back. Today I'll be doing this glow-in-the-dark slime. So first we're gonna pour in the glue. And by the way guys, this glue, I have a black light and it makes it glow way much more than it really does when you just turn off the lights. And it's really, really glittery. I can't get it out. Wait, what is this? Now that the glue is in, you add in the activator. You put in 1/4 2 ounces of activator. Now I'll pour it in. And can I do mix while I pour? I'm gonna mix while I pour. I'm just gonna put the whole thing instead. And now you mix. It's really wet. I'm gonna put it on the table. It's stuck already. All the glitter, so shimmery. Slime. Ah! Okay, this is bad. I'm gonna take the bowl out. And that's nice. Now I'm going to turn off the light to see how it looks like. Hear how it looks like. Oh my gosh, look at all the glue and slime all over me. I didn't want to get there. But look at that. Oh my gosh. And here's the bottle. It's also, but look, it's more glow and slime. I made a crack. Oh, spoon. I'm gonna try and make it crack again. Can I do this? Hope you liked my how to make slime video. Oh, it's glowing. See you next time. Bye.